Welcome to this video, where you will see the most recent feature of the Checkout Address Autofill for WooCommerce plugin. The latest version includes the Address Separator feature for Google Autofill Field Mapping. In this video, you'll learn more about this feature. Go to the Billing Fields section after opening the Checkout Address Autofill plugin settings page. Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to ensure that you do not miss any future videos. This feature is only available in the Pro version, so make sure you've already entered your plugin license key and Google API key. If you don't know how to get your Google API key, look at the documentation link in the description for more information. In the most recent version, you can insert an address separator between address fields, which will be displayed in the field mapping. You can select one of the available options. If no options are selected from the list, comma will be used by default. First, you'll need to map a field, and you'll need the ID of that field from the checkout page's billing field to do so. Then, right-click on the field and choose Inspect. Copy the text of the field name. And then paste it into the billing field ID. Then select the fields that you want to map in that specific field. The selected separator symbol will appear in between the address values you've chosen below. Now reload the checkout page and let's try with an example. The selected separator symbol in the settings is now visible between the mapped values, as you can see. Similarly, you can use any other separator symbol you want, and that will appear between values in the checkout page's billing field. And as you can see this example. This feature can also be applied to shipping field mapping. It is the same, but the field ID will differ. If you have any questions, please leave a comment and we will do our best to answer them. You can also find more information in the plugin's documentation, link is given in the description of the video.